Hey, hello YouTube. I'm Karan from Bharat, and in this video, we are going to talk about an entry submitted by Michael, the creator of AC function, which can calculate the floating point integers in the batch environment. So here they have submitted an upgrade of their previous version of the function. This one is the version 1.1 of the AC function. So let's see what are the upgrades in this version of the function. So let me open the folders, and here as an example is the best way to understand things. They have given a test file of 1 KB, so let's directly launch the file. And here you can see, as in the previous version where they have calculated the value of pi, so the value of pi is, you can calculate a lot of decimal places after the float point, and they have round off the pi value, and it is approximate 3.142. And they have also added exponential and power function in this version. Okay, you can also calculate exponents and powers. So they have also included the trigonometric functions like sine theta. Okay, they are calculating in radians, so we can convert the radians into degree with another method. Okay, calculating natural logarithms, natural logs. And yeah, they have also provided the function to convert the radians into degrees. Wow, they have done a nice job in this version of the function. And you can calculate the square root of, okay, you can also calculate the square root up to some decimal places, and you can calculate everything very precisely now in the environment of batch. Wow, that's a great achievement. And okay, let's close this. And here is the license. I think it's a GNU license. Yep, it is a GNU license version 3. Okay, you can understand the usage using this text file they have provided. So the calculations using ac.bat function by Michal Bukowski. Okay, pardon me if I'm not pronouncing their name right. So the function is by Michal, and this is the version 1.1. The main size of the function, let's say it is of 5 KBs of batch file, and it uses these two batch plugins to give the tremendous output on the console. So we were reading the usage manual. The using BC calculator, okay, the bc.exe 1.6, okay, they are using the bc.exe 1.6 version from the Free Software Foundation Inc. Okay, they have also provided credits. That's a good sign. You can do additions, okay, works, syntax, simple syntax. Subtraction, you can do subtraction, multiplication like normal, and in the division. Now you can also do exponential. Okay, you just have to provide the caret sign, and x to the power of y. So x to the power of y. You can also do square roots. Okay, you just need to write sqrt, and then in the brackets just write the number. Here x is the number and y is also number. Y is another number, it can be x2. Natural logarithms. So my mind is quite messy, I'm reading algorithm everywhere. Log natural, and syntax is log n, and then it is like calling a function inside batch. That's great, because most of the batch programmers will feel little comfortable using this type of syntax. Then you can convert degree to radian. Okay, x, okay, write the number and then brackets degree to radian, then radian to degree, okay, rtd. Then you can calculate sine, and you can calculate cos, and using these two you can calculate tan and all of this. So calculation usage is ac.bat, you have to call it inside the batch file. and then provide a C for calculation, for telling the function that you are trying to calculate things, and then here you are writing your equations, and here you in the end you are writing the output variable, and the result of these calculations will be saved into this variable. So for example, you will call ac.bat with C, and this is your equation, and the answer will be saved into variable 1. So the output of variable 1 should be this. And rounding usage, you can also round off the results. Instead of writing C, you can write R, and then your calculation, not calculation, the value you got from the last call of the AC function, and then up to how many decimal places you want to round off things, and then the output variable. So it will save accordingly, it will round off the function, the answer accordingly. And now call again AC, then this is another syntax, so you can also use 0, and it will round off and remove all the floating point values and round it up by 1 decimal place if it is possible. So you can also merge the two things, and you can calculate and then output the variable, then simply round off the result up to some decimal places, and the result will be saved into output variable directly. So that is how you can use it. So let me give you a demo of usage. And in the Windows 10, when you will upgrade, you will see this annoying PowerShell instead of our traditional CMD. So let me open CMD inside PowerShell and clean things up. Let's call the AC function. Note that you need to write call inside the batch file, but you don't need to call the function inside the active environment. You can directly call it AC, and then we need to calculate things. So let me calculate 355 divided by 113. Okay, I forgot to turn the numlock on. Let's start it again. Okay, ac.bat, then calculate, then 355 divided by 113. It should be the value of pi, and the answer should be, if I don't provide the last variable, it will print the answer. So it is a value of pi, approximate value of pi. So let us see the difference between our traditional value 22 by 7, and there is a difference in the value of pi. So it depends on how you are calculating pi. So let me calculate another thing. Let's calculate now advanced things. For example, let's calculate the values like 10 raised to power 2 into 0.01. Okay, 0.01. Let me write it completely, 0.01, and in the end just the answer should be 1, I think. Yeah, answer is 1. So I don't know why it's giving 0.1, 0.02 at the end. So let me try a power of 2.1. Can it handle that? Oh, it's also handling the floating point powers. That's great sign. So let me recall my maths classes, and I think if the value of natural log is 2.71, when you will exponent, the value of natural exponential is 2.71. If you will write 2.71 and 3 something into natural log of 2, it should be result into 1. Yep, it's approximate, it is becoming 2 because these two values will cancel out each other, because this is the natural exponential, and yeah, leave it. Okay, I'm just trying to teach you maths. You can learn that anywhere else, so I'm here to teach you math batch. So that's how you can use the AC function. Just write call the function ac.bat, write C for the calculations, and provide your values like natural log of 2 and into 2.713 and 4 I think. And when you will multiply this, the answer should be approximately near to 2. And let me save the value into a variable called variable, and let me round off the variable to up to 2 decimal places. And let me now print the variable. Okay, let me not misspell it. Yep, it's approximately 2, but if you will keep on adding that, keep on providing most precise value of exponent, you will get 2. So here we can cheat and we will write 0 and it will give me the answer 2. So let's echo the variable and the answer is 2. So we are rounding off to 0 decimal places. So that is how you can use the AC function version 1.1 by Michal, and it has come with a tremendous updates, and you can do almost all the mathematical operations in batch environment. So we need to see what is the changes in the code. So let me open it with Sublime text editor, and here you can see that it needs BatCenter.exe and readline4.dll files, and the author is Michal with version 1.1 of this function, and it is using BatCenter.exe calculator 1.6 that we already know. And here are some variables in their, I think, regional language. So the variables are not readable in English, so it may be some other language that they understand, that Michal understands. And here you're seeing that they are not, if you will ask for help, they will send you to help. And now you will see that all these things will occur as non-readable because these all variables are in their regional language. You just leave the variables and look at the mathematical operations. They are trying to eliminate the problems batch will give you when you will try to use special characters inside the function. So here they are calculating results, and rounding of function is here. This one is the rounding of function, this one is the calculation, I think, and in the end here they are rounding function, and the comments are helpful. So you need to just download and open the file and pick apart the code by yourself to understand more. And here they have given help menu, and this is the help menu you will see when you will call it without any parameter. So that is all from now. That is all from me. And if you like their work and you want them to improve more, please give it a thumbs up, and please make a comment for appreciating their work, and please share this video to spread more knowledge in the universe. And thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and share this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.